Hey mamas, it's your Cajun Stork here. Today I want to quickly touch on the worst foods for pregnancy you're probably eating, starting with number 1, cereal. Now I know what you're going to say. I'm going to have tons of comments down below that are going to disagree with me because they've chosen a healthy cereal for breakfast. I've seen them all, and I can tell you that even the healthiest cereals are not the best option in pregnancy. See, protein is the building blocks of pregnancy, and anytime we put carbs in the place of protein, we are removing the opportunity for protein in that meal. So yes, I'm not saying carbs are bad. I'm not even saying all cereals are bad, particularly the healthier ones, right? But I am saying that the average pregnant woman who eats cereal for breakfast typically doesn't get enough protein in her pregnancy. I recommend in my practice that moms use cereal as a treat and preferably a high protein one. In my pregnancies, I use cereal as a dessert. I'd add a little raisins and milk to it. Great sneaky way to get in that little sweet treat without adding too many excessively bad foods. Number 2, lemonade. Okay, who doesn't go by Chick-fil-A and get a lemonade while they're pregnant? Have you ever looked at the nutrition facts on the Chick-fil-A lemonade? There is so much sugar in lemonade that it is not wise to be drinking that in your pregnancy. Why? Well, have you taken your 28-week glucose check yet? If so, that's 50 grams of sugar in a sitting. And how did you feel afterward? In my practice, most of my moms are healthy eaters. After they take 50 grams of sugar, they usually kind of feel like trash. Even when we're using fresh test as a natural solution, the fact is it's 50 grams of sugar. You guys, this is equivalent to like a Coke and a Snickers bar. Commercial lemonades have a ton of sugar and again, no protein, which typically makes moms feel bad. So I really want you to avoid lemonade in pregnancy, or if you really, really love it, consider making it at home and drinking it from your own stash. I am a huge fan of peanut butter, but number 3 is not just peanut butter, it is hydrogenated oils in peanut butter. So if you are going to be eating peanut butter in your pregnancy, you need to read the label. The label should have simple ingredients that you can pronounce, and the word hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated should not be in it. In fact, these are one of the most harmful things you can eat at any point in your life. It is not a good food for you to put in your body. So eating peanut butter is great. Check your ingredients labels and switch to a natural peanut butter if you have the chance. I'm a huge fan of peanut butter and dark chocolate in pregnancy, well, all the time. And you can just go ahead and scoop it and eat it as long as your ingredients are clean. Number 4 is uncooked or undercooked meat or eggs. There are risks in pregnancy from having uncooked or undercooked meat and eggs, and it's definitely something you want to avoid while you're pregnant. Now, I know, who wants to eat a well-done steak or an over-hard egg? Not fun. But when you're pregnant, it's really important that you take that extra step to protect yourself and your baby from harmful bacteria that could cause harm to you and your baby. This goes for steaks, sandwich meat, which you need to be heating up if you're going to eat cold cuts while you're pregnant, and eggs. Now the list can go on and on some of the worst foods you can eat in pregnancy, but I think that those couple of tips are going to be good for you to start today making positive choices for your diet while you're carrying your baby. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next Midwife Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.